The phrase brown bag it is an informal expression in the English language that refers to the practice of bringing one's own food or lunch to a location, such as work or school, typically in a brown paper bag or a similar container. This term is often used when someone chooses to bring their meal from home rather than purchasing food from a restaurant, cafeteria, or other food vendors. The origin of the phrase can be traced back to the practice of packing lunches in simple, disposable brown paper bags. In the past, it was common for people to prepare their meals at home, place them in these brown paper bags, and then carry them to work, school, or other activities. The use of brown paper bags for this purpose became so widespread that it eventually led to the popularization of the term brown bag it. The act of brown bagging it is associated with several advantages. First and foremost, it allows individuals to have more control over their meals. They can choose the ingredients, portion sizes, and types of food that align with their dietary preferences and nutritional needs. This can be especially important for people with specific dietary restrictions or health goals. Additionally, brown bagging it can be a cost-effective alternative to eating out regularly. Preparing meals at home is often less expensive than purchasing restaurant or fast food options, which can save individuals a significant amount of money over time. Moreover, bringing one's lunch in a brown paper bag or a reusable container can also contribute to environmental sustainability. It reduces the use of disposable food containers and packaging, which can help minimize waste and reduce the environmental impact associated with single-use materials. The phrase brown bag it can be used in a variety of contexts. For example, if a coworker asks if you'd like to join them for lunch at a nearby restaurant, you might respond by saying, "No, thanks. I'm going to brown bag it today." This indicates your intention to bring your own lunch from home rather than dining out. Brown bagging it can also be seen as a practical and time-saving choice, as it eliminates the need to wait in lines at restaurants or cafes during a lunch break. It allows individuals to maximize their available time and avoid the rush associated with buying food during peak hours. In summary, brown bag it is an informal expression that refers to the practice of bringing one's own food or lunch to a location, often in a brown paper bag or a reusable container. This practice offers various advantages, including greater control over one's meals, cost savings, and potential environmental benefits. The term reflects a common and practical approach to meal preparation and is still widely used today in both casual and professional settings.